Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to buy VIP membership in Litmatch Make New Friends app. So this is the app. If you want to get all privilege, then you can buy package. So it's not totally free, but every most of the things you will get free, but there are some things if you want to buy package, then you will access all of this thing. So how can you do this thing? So you can see it's a profile icon right bottom corner on your screen. Simply tap on that, and after that you can see the option is like a crown. Simply tap on that. Once you tap on that, and you can see VIP membership. So here is something like if you almost almost 10 million user benefited from VIP. So simply tap unlock privilege, then you have to buy. Okay, you have to give the money, continue, and once you continue, then you have to give the credit card, and then you have to buy this package, then you will be VIP membership. So, Captain, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.